Hey guys, welcome you all to the channel. Our channel is completely dedicated upon some aviation videos. Our complete resolution of the channel is aviation, aviation, aviation. And yes, guys, our channel name is Aviation Showdown. So today we're gonna completely fly upon with the Florida hurricane, that is Elsa, from Miami International Airport to Hollywood International Airport, Florida. So today we're gonna see how we're gonna put on this complete short flight from point A to point B. And now guys, let us start a flight. Already you could see the complete flight is shaking due to the 50 plus knots of wind due to that hurricane. Now yes guys, let us start our flight. Come on guys. Oh my god, how is this gonna go? God please save me. I think guys, you can already hear the noise of this airframe. Oh my god guys, this is just ridiculous. Let us start our flight. Oh my god. Oh my god, the airframe shuttering like something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh shit. Whoa, 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 oh my goodness. Stall warning. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna just fly this plane and move towards Florida International, Hollywood International Airport. Oh my god, guys, this is gonna be my worst nightmare ever. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. See the bank angle of my flight, guys. Oh my goodness. And actually guys, there were actually somewhat of rain you could actually expect here. But as Infinite Flight does not have any sort of rain animations, I'm not able to show the rain. Oh my god, see the airframe speed guys. Oh my god. It's 30 knots. Oh my god guys, see this how this airframe is fluttering out there in the air. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Guys, I'm not even able to control the airframe. Oh my god. Oh god, the airplane is just suffering guys. Oh guys, sorry I have not been able to just continue this flight because this is literally, oh my goodness, this is literally over windy out here. It's too hard to continue this flight just to be on course. See the winds out there guys, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at the wing flex guys. Oh, wow. I don't know how the pilots are just, they're just heroes of our life. Just fly this complete airplane or frame and just put it into a proper halt. Oh my goodness. Guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I think I'm gonna return to Florida because I don't know this. I can't control this airplane more than this. We're gonna return back to Florida International again, guys. Yeah, can't control this airplane now. I'm gonna just keep all of the speed. I'm gonna get rid of the heading. Just cut down the fly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh my god. I'm gonna just get rid of this flight plan and we're gonna just move on to Florida again. Miami International Airport. God. How am I gonna reach there? Oh my god. It's a huge task. To take more time, guys. What gonna do now? Okay guys, it's gonna take more time if we just move on with the complete landing sequence. Now I'm gonna do some short final approach with this amount of wind towards Miami International Airport. Let us see how I'm able to butter the airplane. Just we'll see, guys. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no. Oh shit. Gosh. Oh my god, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna start up again this takeoff shots. Already we have the winds out there. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh, guys. Yeah, we are gone in case, guys. Oh my goodness. What's my wind? Wind gust. Oh my goodness. It's 60. I'm gonna push the yoke to its complete fullest, guys. I'm gonna see is I'm gonna win or the wind gonna win. Oh my god. 140 knots. Pull up. Rotate. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, we are gone, guys. We are gone. Shit. Guys, this is the third attempt. I'm gonna try in this airport. I'm not able to just land the airframe properly. I just. Gosh, guys, I'm not able to do this. And yes, guys, after more than 10 attempts, I'm gonna land this aircraft in the airfield of Florida International Airport, that is Hollywood. Oh my god, I'm not able to control the airframe, guys. See, oh my god, oh no, 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 just land. Oh no, crash. Yes, guys, landed, guys. Yeah, mission accomplished. Wow. Yes, guys. Oh my god, the airframe is shouting. Let us airframe. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, friends. This is just astonishing. Yes, guys, today I have an end for this video by flying in this Hall of Florida Hurricane. You already see the winds are just flittering off out in the wind. We had a very nice time the flying of this complete airframe. Yeah, and we'll meet you soon tomorrow. Until then, this is bye-bye. This is Aviation Showdown YouTuber signing off from you all. Tata, bye-bye, good night.